What's going on, guys? So it's now Sunday and I'm gonna try to get the car up and running, hopefully in a couple hours. All I really have to do is put the transmission in, drive shaft on, fill it with fluid, you know, clutch, all that other bullshit. So I'm gonna get to work, and I have a trainee jack this time, so it should make it a lot easier. So hopefully this goes fast. Alright, well, got the clutch and throwout bearing all installed. Let's see if I can actually get this off. There we go. So throwout bearings all in. Clutch fork. Can't see it, but it's right there. Then clutch disc. So that's all installed, and the it's my first time ever doing the throwout bearing, and it's actually wasn't that bad. I just followed this little diagram. Let's see, and if you have any bit of mechanical knowledge and common sense when it comes to clutches, it's actually pretty easy to figure out. And the reason it's on like that, I talked to Drift Motion, which is who sold me a lot of parts, and they said it's hot as shit here, number one, but it's much easier to install the transmission with the clutch and the pressure plate and the clutch disc on the transmission, and put it up in and then slide it on and then just bolt it up through the little ports over by where the clutch fork is to tighten everything up. So that's what I'm going to do. Should make it much easier to install, hopefully. And yeah, so I'm going to get this transmission underneath the car and get it installed. Alright, well, the transmission's in, and I'm an idiot and forgot to jack the front of the engine up, so I struggled with it for a while, but it's in. So now I have to bolt the pressure plate onto the flywheel, which with the R154 it's much easier if you do it once it's already on the car, much like you would automatic torque converter on a car. You know, you unbolt that and then you take the transmission out. You can do the same thing with this, and it makes it way easier. So I'm going to go ahead and knock that out, and then hook up the clutch line, hook up the slave cylinder, clutch line, drive shaft, put some fluid in it, and hopefully start it. Well, I got the fluid filled. It took like a little over 4 quarts, which was kind of weird. It wasn't bone dry. Well, I mean, I guess it was, but so now I'm hooking up the reverse lights. I gotta put the new bulbs in the new tail lights and get all that figured out, and then hopefully starting it here very, very soon. So it's hot, and I'm gonna keep on going. All right, well, she's all back together. Exhaust is on. She fires right up. The only problem is I think the clutch still needs blood, so it's making doesn't feel like it's engaging right. New shift knob is on. Freaking love that thing. But yeah, gonna have my wife help me bleed the clutch some more, and then we're probably gonna go take it for a ride after I get the bumper and everything on. So almost done, almost done. And just like that, she is up and running again. I'm really digging that new front lip too. That was a good choice. Make sure nothing's leaking. Oop, nothing's leaking. Good times. Good times. Well, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Got it all up and running, so we're just gonna keep on keeping on and start doing the body work so I can prep it for the wrap. I can't wait to show you guys that wrap. It's gonna be amazing. Alright guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. You know, no feedback's bad feedback, so I appreciate it all. Thanks guys.